There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2019 Alfa Romeo Stelvio TI in competition red, with bi-xenon HID headlamps, headlamp washers, 20-inch black sport aluminum wheels, colored brake calipers, dark badging, dark exhaust tips, heated front seats, sport leather wrapped steering wheel, leather dash with accent stitching, 8.8-inch display, rear backup camera, Alpha DNA drive mode system, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, heated rear seats, dual pane sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5457.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.